Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex 2025 Pangthoklagani Haina Textile Commerce and Industry gi Additional Chief Secretary ANURAG BAJPAI na Phongdokkhre ngasi pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada mahakna makhatana hai Directorate of Handlooms and Textile Manipur na Manitex asi 2018 dagi 22 fawba mai pangna pangthokre adubu 2021 da COVID pandemic na maram oiraga pangthokide amadi 2023 dagi haurakiba conflict na pangthokpa ngamdana lakli adubu state asida fiwam khara fagalakjuna akhanaba achobo program khara pangthoknarakpana Manitex asisu lakliba tang nipan dagi tarani thoi fawba urban hut nilakuthi imphal da pangthoknaba sem sabat loire masina Manipur gi handloom handicrafts amadi textile gi polam sing malem gi thakta pukhatpada mating oiragani pangthokadoriba expo to the Japan US Europe Middle East na chingbagi major virus exporters designer tarataruka afaba mari thamduna Manipur gi khuthaiba singbu malem gi thakta puthokpa ngamnaba honagadori haina mahakna makhatana Phongdokkhre.
Ministry of Textile has recommended that proposal to Ministry of Donor for to take it up, and that is in the pipeline. So that much is enough, I think, for me. And I will certainly tell about the textile park. Textile park will be, one of the most modern, I must say, facility for our viewers. We are trying to develop it on the lines of maybe Kanchipuram or Surat Textile Park. That is what our endeavor is. How far we will be successful, of course, time will tell. But that is our aspiration, and our DPR also goes on that line only. And we are going to provide various kind of facilities, various kind of machineries to our viewers. So there will be many units. Even we are trying to bring some export house there.